Alright, see how that switches on auto? It has to be on auto when I leave. So, what I'm going to do now is, using my stopwatch on my phone, I'm going to turn it to run, which is actually hand, and in 4 minutes I will turn it off. So here we go. And so you can hear the pump running. See those little bubbles? And what we do, because I'm supposed to be flushing this system, it's actually not designed correctly for me to clean it, but I do pay attention to the water flow. So that's water flow in one of the septic lines, and then, let's see if I can get a good shot. Yeah, so both of those, they have really good water flow. That's all I care about. When something breaks, I'll actually repair it and do it correctly. I'll fix it like it should have been designed in the first place. But for right now, I'm not even going to bother to ask the church owners, because it's going to be probably a few $100s at least for me to correct this problem that should have been done by the initial installer, and it is what it is. Some people do subsurface operations and maintenance. Some people just do installation. I do both. Yeah, it is what it is. Oof. Okay, so let's see. See how many minutes we got. We are at 1 minute and 51 seconds, 52. So all we're doing is drawing down the liquid. I'll measure it after 4 minutes, and then through the magic of an Excel spreadsheet, the math is actually pretty simple. I can figure out the number of gallons per minute that the pump is using, and so I monitor the gallons per minute in the spring, in the fall, and if the number of gallons per minute starts to rapidly change, I know that there is either a blockage in the line or the pump's failing. So far, I haven't had any issues. I mean, these folks, they really don't use this system a lot. I mean, I can just tell, or at least they're careful with what they're putting down it. I never need to clean the filter. I always do clean the filter. I mean, there's just not any problems. All right, we're at 320, and oh, okay, that pump is starting to become exposed. It'll be okay. The liquid actually cools the pump, and so I definitely don't want to run it dry. Okay, we're at 3 minutes, 51 seconds, 54, 56, 57, 58, 4 minutes. All right, what'd I get? 4 minutes and just a few seconds over. All right, so that's now an off. I'm gonna go ahead and do auto. I always record me putting this back on auto. If I leave it off, then I wind up getting a call and I have to come back to Eastern North Carolina, and I don't want to do that. All right.